Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the search for a missing 23-year-old female resident of Retreat District in Glengough, St. Catherine has ended in tragedy.
A close family friend who confessed to killing her led the police to a shallow grave where he buried her.
Now, Kirk Wright was in the community and now reports.
The crowd swelled in Retreat District in Glengough, St. Catherine as the news spread that the decomposing body of Lisa Gay Kubre was found in a shallow grave. Lisa was 23 years old. Her body was buried somewhere behind her house where she lived with her mother, sister, and the man it said who confessed to her killing. It's 2 weeks now that she had been missing, but it's reported that the suspect went to the Constant Spring police station Tuesday morning where he confessed to the crime. He led the police to the scene behind the girl's house where he allegedly buried the body. The cops came well prepared to dig, and about half an hour later, confirmation came that her body was found. Her mother, Sonia Beverly, was rattled by the news. She wanted to hand down her own justice on the suspect. Miss Beverly said she was particularly hurt because she raised the suspect who lived with the family.
Him go to Cassava Primary School. I grew him probably my 10-year-old. And him same leave, him come back. Same leave, him come back. He leave and him come back.
What kind of person? What kind of work? He worked?
Him like him do little gardener work and them stuff. Him like him with a kill pig and them way there at the butcher shop out by Lawrence Tavern.
She said after her daughter disappeared, the suspect helped with the search for her.
I went to town Saturday to get some things like what you see up on the stall there. And when I come back, I don't see my daughter because she always there from years to years. So. And the boy up and down with me Saturday night, Sunday night, whole night. I wouldn't tell me Mr. Kirkside him kill my daughter and sleep all in my house with me. I'm like I have a spirit in me, Mr. Kirk, and I said to him, say, I wonder if you and your friend they make up and take away babe and go kill babe. Him say, Bo.
A family friend, Miss Julie, told us the suspect remained close to the family.
Even Sunday we had a prayer meeting at the shop and they called for the family to pray for them. And Juki present himself, he was there.
This Juki is a suspect?
Yes. And the church prayed because there's a family and he's a part of the family. So he came and the church did pray.
What was his body language like at the time?
Well, he looked anxious, he's anxious. I don't know, something about Juki was off.
While the police investigate the motive for the killing, Miss Beverly says the suspect was generally respectful to her and her daughters. So what was the relationship between him and her like? Were they good friends? They had a good rapport?
She talked to them. She talked with him all the while. Them take him for them brother. Because I don't have any boy children. I don't have any son. I have 4 girls.
Residents waited around for a while and demanded that the police hand over the suspect to them before they whisk him away. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.